The first organelle we will look at is the nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It helps control eating, movement, and reproduction. The next organelle is the nucleolus. The nucleolus makes ribosomal subunits from proteins and ribosomal RNA. It then sends out subunits to the rest of the cell where they combine into complete ribosomes. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell. They are organelles that act like a digestive system which takes in nutrients, breaks them down, and creates energy-rich molecules for the cell. The Golgi apparatus, or Golgi complex, is found in most cells. It is a packaging organelle. All cells are contained by a cell membrane that keeps the pieces inside the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is also known as the ER. There are two parts to the ER, the smooth ER and the rough ER. The smooth ER acts as a storage organelle. It is important in the creation and storage of lipids. The rough ER is very important in the synthesis and packaging of proteins. It is known as the rough ER because of the ribosomes on the outside. Vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cells. Vacuoles might store food or any variety of nutrients a cell might need to survive. Lysosomes hold enzymes that were created by the cell. The purpose of the lysosome is to digest things. They might be used to digest food or break down the cell when it dies. Centrioles are there to help the cell when it comes time to divide. They are put to work in both the process of mitosis and the process of meiosis. Flagella are tail-like structures that help the cell move. Cell walls help a plant keep its shape. While they do protect the cells, cell walls and cellulose also allow plants to grow to great heights. Chloroplasts are the food producers of the cell. Chloroplasts work to convert light energy of the sun into sugars that can be used by cells in a process called photosynthesis. The cytoplasm has many different molecules dissolved in solution. You'll find enzymes, fatty acids, sugars, and amino acids that are used to keep the cell working. Waste products are also dissolved before they are taken in by vacuoles or sent out of the cell. Last, and definitely not least, are ribosomes. Ribosomes are by far the most important organelle in a cell.
Why is that?
That's a very good question. It is the most important for many reasons. The most important reason, though, is that this is where proteins are made. Protein is needed for many cell functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. A cell without ribosomes is like a factory without workers. The factory would shut down. What organelle seemed best?
Well, definitely the ribosomes. The other ones seem kind of boring.
Make sure to vote ribosomes!